Hello children, happy to see you all. I am your maths teacher Sandhya from Bharati Dasar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 3rd standard maths 4th lesson. So what is our 4th lesson name, my dears? Very good. Our 4th lesson name is subtraction. What is our 4th lesson name? Our 4th lesson name is subtraction. So what does mean by subtraction? So already you know the definition, in last class itself we have seen, right? So subtraction means taking away some of the object from the collection and counting the remaining object of the collection. For example, consider Lishan, you have 5 apples. How many apples? 5 apples. 5 apples. You are going to give 3 apples to your friend. How many apples? 3 apples to your friend. Now tell me Lishan, how many apples left with you? Very good. The answer is 2. So listen my children, here we use the subtraction. In this subtraction terms, we have some names are there. The first one is called the minuend. M-I-N-U-E-N-D. So the first number, the greater number is called the minuend, and the second number and the smaller number is called the subtrahend. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. This is called the subtrahend, and finally answer we get, no, that is called the difference. So this is difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. So the first number is called the minuend, the second number is called the subtrahend, and final answer is called the difference. So listen my children, today we are going to see alternative methods, 4th one. In last class itself we have seen 3rd part and then 2nd part and then 1st part. So what is the first one? Subtract by breaking one number. Our second one is subtract by breaking both numbers, and third one is subtract by making multiple of 10. Now we are going to see multiple of 100. So listen here. The first, subtract by making one number a multiple of 100. So listen my children, compare these two numbers. We are going to take a smaller number to making a multiple of 100. So already you know a second number, 93 is a smaller number. Now what number should we use to add or subtract to get the multiple of 100 in 93? Very good, add 7. So listen here. Take 307 plus 7. 307 plus 7, then minus 93 plus 7. 93 plus 7. Now we are going to add these two numbers. Finally, we should subtract this, right? So take 307 plus 7. Write the place values. Now tell me Nishant, what is the first place value? Very good. Our first place value is ones. So write ones, tens, hundreds. Here the ones place value is 7. So write 7, and the 10th place value is 0, and 100th place value is 3. So write 3. Next take ones place value. Here we have only ones place value. So you should write ones place value only. Write 7 here. Now we are going to add this. So while adding time, first we will take the right side ones place value. Keep 7 in the mind, 7 in the finger. So what is the answer? 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here we got 2-digit number, that is 14. Ones place value and 10th place value. So in this ones place value, we are going to write under the ones column, and then 10th place value we are going to write carry over to the 10th column. Here the 10th place values are 1 and 0. So keep 1 in the mind, 0 in the finger. What is the answer? Very good. The answer is 1, then 3. So write the answer 314. Here 307 plus 7 equal to 314. Right, 314 minus 93 plus 7. Take 93 plus 7. Take the ones place value. Here the ones place values are 3 and 7. Now tell me Nasreen, what is the answer 3 and 7? Very good. The answer is 10. So write 0 and then carry 1. Again take 9 plus 1 equal to 10. So the answer is 100. So we make the smaller number nearest to or multiple to 100. Write here 100. Take 314 minus 100. First write the place values. The first place value is ones, and then second place value is tens, then third place value is 100. Take the first group of the number. Here the first group of the number is 340 and second one is 100. The ones place value is 4. The 10th place value is 1. What is the 100th place value? Very good. Here the 100th place value is 3. Next take 100. The ones place value is 0 and the 10th place value is 0 and the 100th place value is 1. Now we are going to subtract this. So already you know, while subtracting time, first we will take the ones place value. What is the ones place values are here? 4 and a 0. So 4 minus 0, the answer is 4. Now tell me Deepak, what is the answer 1 minus 0? Very good, the answer is 1. Next take a 3 minus 1. Just put 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 and then strike out 1 line. Remaining how many lines are there? We have 2 lines. So the answer is 2. So 3 minus 1, the answer is 2. The final answer we have 214. Write the answer 214. Take the question 307 minus 93 equal to, the answer is 214. Now listen children, we are going to check whether this answer is correct or not. Okay, do the normal subtraction. Take 307 minus 93. 307 minus 93. 307 and next we have 93. Now we should start from ones place value. So write 3 and then 9. Do the subtraction. Now take 7 minus 3. Just show your 7 fingers and 3 fingers. Remaining how many fingers are there? We have 4 fingers. So the answer is 4. Next 0 minus 9 is not possible. Why? Because 0 is the smallest number, 9 is the greatest number. Here we are going to get borrow from 100th place value. The 100th place value is 300 is there. 300 and 0 10 is there. In the 0 10 it will change into 10 tens and then 300s it will change into 200. Now we are going to subtract 10 minus 9. So what is the answer 10 minus 9? The answer is 1. So write 1 and then 2. So we got 214. Here too we got 214. So our subtraction is correct. We will see another example. Listen here. So our next question is 432 minus 198. So what is our first procedure? We are going to find the smaller number. So compare these two numbers. Which one is the smaller number? Very good. 198 is the smaller number. Now we are going to make this 198 to the nearest to or multiple of 100. Multiple of 100. So what number should we use to add to get the multiple of 100? So already we have 198 is there. 198 after 199, 200. So only 2. So both sides you should add 2 and then 2. Take 432 plus 2. 432 plus 2. Then minus 198 plus 2. Minus 198 plus 2. Now we are going to add this 432 plus 2. What is the answer? Keep 432 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 32 after 33, 34. So the answer is 434 minus 198 plus 2. The answer is 200. Right here 200. Now we are going to subtract 434 minus 200. First we are going to write the place values. What is our first place value? Tell me, Nasreen. Very good. Our first place value is ones and our second place value is tens and next 100. So write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. The ones place value is 4. So write 4. The 10th place value is 3. Write 3. And the 100th place value is 4. Write 4. Next take 200. Here the ones place value is 0. So write 0. 10th place value 0. 100th place value is 2. First, while subtracting time, we will take the ones place value, tens place value and then 100th place value. Now we are going to subtract 4 minus 0. What is the answer 4 minus 0? The answer is 4. The next one is 3 minus 0. The answer is 3. And next one is 4 minus 2. The answer is 2. Okay, so just show your 4 finger, fold 2 finger, remaining we have 2 fingers over there. So the answer is 2. The final answer 234. Take the question 432 minus 198 equal to 432 minus 198 equal to 234. Now we are going to check whether this answer is right or wrong. Take the normal subtraction. Take 432 minus 198. 432 minus 198. Here the ones place value is 8, tens place value is 9, 100th place value is 1. So write 8, 9, 1. So start from ones place value 2 and 8. So now tell me, Nasreen, 2 minus 8 is possible? Very good. It is not possible. Why? Because 2 is the smallest number and 8 is the greatest number. Now we are going to get borrow from before number. So we have a before numbers are 3 tens and then 9 tens. Okay, ma. So 3 tens and then 9 tens. 3 tens it will change into 2 tens. So 3 it will change into 2. In this 2 ones it will change into 12 ones. Right? 12. Now what is the answer? 12 minus 8. Just put 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 lines and strike code 4 lines, 8 lines. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you count remaining how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So the answer is 4. So 12 minus 8, the answer is 4. Next we are going to take a 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 is also is not possible. Why? Because 2 is the smallest number and 9 is the greatest number. Here too we are going to get borrow from the before number. The before numbers are 4 and 1. Okay. So in this 400 it will change into 300. 210 it will change into 1210. Now we are going to subtract 12 minus 9. So what is the answer? 12 minus 9. So the answer is 3. Next take 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, the answer is 2. Now listen children, here we got 234. So here too we have 234. So our subtraction is correct. Okay, next we will see the another example. Listen here. Third question, 519 minus 201. So what is our first procedure? We are going to find the smaller number. Compare these two numbers. We have 519 and then 201. Which one is the smallest number? 201 is the smallest number. So, in this number you are going to making into the multiple of or nearest to 100. Multiples are nearest to 100. So, listen children, what number should we subtract 201 to get the sum or to get the answer 200? Very good, that is 1. So, both sides you should subtract 1 and then 1. Take 519 minus 1. 519 minus 1, then minus 201 minus 1. Okay children, 590 minus 1 minus 201 minus 1. Now we are going to subtract this. So 519 minus 1, 518 minus 201 minus 1, the answer is 200. So write here 200. Take 580 minus 200. So what is the first procedure? Very good. We need to write the place value. So what is the first place value? The first place value is 1. So write ones and tens, hundreds. Take 580 and then 200. The ones place value is 8. The 10th place value is 1 and the 100th place value is 5. Likewise, take here the ones place value is 0 and then 0, then 2. Now we are going to subtract this. So while subtracting time, we should take the ones place value. Okay. So now tell me Kiran, what is the answer 8 minus 0? Very good. The answer is 8. Again 1 minus 0 is 1. Then 5 minus 2. Now tell me Krish, what is the answer 5 minus 2? Just show your 5 fingers and fold 2 fingers. Remaining, what is the answer? Very good. The answer is 3. So 318 is the answer. Right here 318. Now take the question 519 519 minus 201 equal to 318. Now we are going to check whether the subtraction is right or wrong. Do the normal subtraction. Take 519 minus 201. 201 1 0 then 2. Do the subtraction. Take the ones place value. Here the ones place values are 9 and 1. Just show your 9 finger and fold only 1 finger. So remaining how many fingers are there? 8. So the answer is 8. Next 1 minus 0, the answer is 1. Right here 1 and 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. Here we got the answer 318. So here too we have 318. So our subtraction is correct. So listen my children, in this topic name is subtraction by making one number multiple of 100. Subtraction by making one number multiple of 100. Next we are going to see the another one. Listen here. Our next topic is subtraction of a 3-digit number with a regrouping. So what is meant by with regrouping? Before going to with regrouping, I will tell what is without regrouping. So without regrouping means when we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum does not have the borrow value, simply we will subtract this. For example, 5 minus 2. What is the answer 5 minus 2? Very good. The 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. That is called as subtraction without regrouping. We have no borrow values there. Here subtraction with regrouping means when we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum as borrow, if the sum as borrow means that is called as subtraction with regrouping. So listen here. When we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum as borrow, that is called as subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction of a 3-digit number with regrouping. So with regrouping means when we are doing the subtraction problem, if the sum as borrow, If the sum as borrow it is called as subtraction with regrouping. It is called the, if the sum as borrow, it is called the subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with a regrouping. So what is subtraction with regrouping? With regrouping means if the sum as borrow. For example, listen here, we have 537 minus 362. First we need to write the place values. What is our first place value? That is ones, tens and then hundreds. Here we have only 3-digit number, so write up to 100. Write ones, tens, hundreds. Here the ones place value is 7, the 10th place value is 3 and the 100th place value is 5. Next take the second group of the number. The ones place value is 2 and the 10th place value is 6 and the 100th place value is 3. Now we are going to subtract this. While subtracting time, first we should take the ones place value. Here the ones place values are 7 and then 2. What is that? 7 and then 2. Just show your 7 fingers and fold 2 fingers. Remaining how many fingers are there? Yes, 5 fingers. So the answer is 5. So 7 minus 2, the answer is 5. Next, listen children. The tens place values are 3 and then 6. What is the 10th place value? 3 and then 6. Compared to 6, 3 is the smallest number. So 3 minus 6 is not possible. Why? Because 3 is the smallest number and 6 is the greatest number. Now we are going to get borrow from 100th place. Okay. Here the 100th place values are 500 minus 300. In this 500 it will change into 400. This 3 tens it will change into 13 tens. Now we are going to subtract 13 minus 6. Just put 13 lines and then strike out 6 lines. So listen children, put 30 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 lines and strike out 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Now tell me Kiran, what is the answer 4 minus 3? Very good. Yeah. The answer is 1. So we have the final answer 170. So write that answer 175. 175. So like this we have another example. Listen here. So next question is 540 minus 371. So what is our first procedure? We need to write the place values. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. And what is the second place value? Very good. Our second place value is tens and our third place value is hundreds. So write the place values. Ones, tens, then hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Take the first group of the number and second group of the number. So what is the first group of the number? 540. The second group of the number is 371. The ones place value is 0. 10th place value is 4. 100th place value is 5. Next take here the ones place value is 1. The 10th place value is 7. And the 100th place value is 3. Now going to subtract this. So while subtracting time, we will take the ones place value, 10th place value, then 100th place value. The ones place values are, here we have 0 minus 1. Now tell me Nasin, 0 minus 1 is possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because 0 is the smallest number, 1 is the greatest number. Here you are going to get borrow from 10th place value. Okay. Here the 10th place values are 4 and 7. 4 tens and then 7 tens. In this 4 tens it will change into 3 tens. 4 tens it will change into 3 tens, and 0 ones it will change into 10 ones. Now what is the answer? 10 minus 1? 10 minus 1, the answer is 9. Next we are going to take a 3 minus 7. So 3 minus 7 possible means it is not possible. Again you are going to get borrow from the before number. Here the before numbers are 500 minus 300. In this 500 it will change into 400. 3 tens it will change into 13 tens. Now we are going to subtract 13 minus 7. Put 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and strike out 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are going to count the remaining lines. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Now tell me Anjali, what is the answer? 4 minus 3. Very good, yeah. 4 minus 3, the answer is 1. The final answer is 169. 169. So we have another example. Listen here. Today's our last question. Listen here. 756 minus 347. So as usual, the first step is need to write the place values. What is the first place value? Ones. And what is the second place value? Tens. And third place value is hundreds. Right here. Ones, tens, and then hundreds. The ones place value is 6, 5, 7. Okay, 6, 5, 7. Next you take the second group of the number. Here the ones place value is 7, 4, 3. Now we are going to subtract this. So while subtracting time, we will take the ones place value, tens place value, then hundredth place value. Now tell me Nasreen, 6 minus 7 is possible? Very good. It is not possible. Why? Because 6 is the smallest number, 7 is the greatest number. So we are going to get borrow from 100th place, 10th place itself. So 6 it will change into 16, 5 it will change into 4. Now subtract 16 minus 7. Put 16 lines, 3, 4, 5, and next one is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and strike out 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are going to count the remaining lines. How many lines are there? Just you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines are there. So the answer is 9. Next take the 10th place value. Here the 10th place value are, we have same numbers. So 4 minus 4. The answer is 0. Next take 7 minus 3. So show your 7 fingers and fold 3 fingers. Remaining how many fingers are there? Very good. The answer is 4. Finally, you should write the answer 409. What is the answer? 409. So listen children, in this session you have learned only 2 topics, that is subtraction by making a multiple of 100, and second one is subtraction with regrouping 3-digit number, right. I hope everyone enjoyed this section. In this below description we have attached study material, question bank, and then self-assessment work. So my dear students, do all the self-assessment work as well as exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.